I've always been a strong believer in the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita. Making an impact? Yes. Every word, every single word of the Bhagavad Gita is real life. So we are thoroughly enjoying the satsang every week.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita is not anecdotal. It is philosophy given by Sri Krishna. Given the subject, it is not easy to explain the concepts to us motley bunch of people with different levels of engagement with religion and spirituality. But Sri Bijanji is so skilled that he keeps us all totally engrossed in the satsang.
We always work on our body. That is, we exercise, we go to beauty parlors, salon. But what about the subconscious mind? It also needs to be lightened up. It also needs to be made pure. For that, this satsang and the medications are very much essential as well as crucial. Knowledge which I got from Bhagavad Gita, it is very much relatable to my real life. Which is like everyone has a family, everyone is going through something or the other. We should always have patience and nothing happens before time or after time. Everything happens for a reason and always on time.
While doing the satsang with Bijal Rai, we have realized what actually peace is, what actually life is, the difference between Atma Tattva, and our body, and how connected we are to the whole world, to the universe actually. It has given us more peace, it has given us some understanding as to why we are in this world and what is our karma. We're still in the learning process, but it has given us a gist of how we should actually be leading our lives and what God has actually told us, what Krishna Bhagwan is trying to explain to us what life is all about.
Each shlok is explained beautifully with a lot of stories and a lot of connections that helps us understand the beauty of life, also the turmoil of life, and how we are supposed to get across each step in life. I have learned by being more introspective, taking each situation, not reacting strongly, and understanding the Gita more beautifully by understanding and listening to the classes.
I would just like to read two lines from the Srimad Bhagavat. It is said, એકલું ઠાકોરજીની સેવા સ્મરણ કરે તે સાધારણ વૈષ્ણવ, પરંતુ જેના સંગથી બીજાને ઈશ્વરની સેવા સ્મરણની ઈચ્છા થાય તે મહાન વૈષ્ણવ. I think Bijalbhai, we are all very thankful to you, and ખરા અર્થમાં તમે બીજાઓમાં સત્સંગનું બીજ રોપી રહ્યા છો.
To be able to speak about our Gita class in a few words, I surely will fall short of words. It's another level of peace experienced whenever we are in the class. It makes me introspect and ruminate about a lot of unattended issues in life, which of course we put in front of Guruji and he is able to answer all our queries. Karmanyavadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan. I swear by it. A few takeaways from our Gita class: detachment, duty, and compassion. The experience of Gita class has been life-changing. Would like to share a few incidents that happened in life with you all whenever comfortable. Vasudev Kutumbakam, it already feels like a small, adorable, close-knit family.
बीजल पंड्या जो हमारे बहुत अच्छे मित्र हैं और जिन्हें हम गुरु जी के नाम से जानते हैं, 5 साल पहले उनके साथ मिलकर हमने गीता क्लास शुरू की थी, जिसे हमने अब वसुदेव कुटुंबकम का नाम दिया है. गुरु जी हमें गीता के श्लोकों को बहुत ही सीधे और सरल तरीके से समझाते हैं. जिन गीता के श्लोकों को हम संस्कृत में हैं, उनको पढ़ने में हमें बहुत ही कठिनाई होती थी और समझ भी नहीं पाते थे, उनको गुरु जी ने हमें बहुत ही सरल तरीके से समझाते हैं. और उनको हम अपने इन सारे श्लोकों को हम हमारे डे टू डे जीवन में भी रिलेट कर पाते हैं. मित्रों, वास्तविकता तो यह है कि जीवन के हर एक क्षेत्र में हमें गुरु की आवश्यकता होती है. यदि मनुष्य जब आध्यात्मिक क्षेत्र में कदम रखता है, तब तो उसे गुरु की बहुत ही अधिक आवश्यकता होती है. और बीजल पंड्या हमारे गुरु जी के साथ मिलकर हमने इसी आध्यात्मिक क्षेत्र के लिए कदम उठाया है. तो मेरी मेरी आप सबसे बहुत ही इच्छा है, रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस वसुदेव कुटुंबकम में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग जुड़े और हम इसे पूरे जन तक ले जाएं।
भगवत गीता विश्व का महान ग्रंथ है। कहा जाता है कि हमारे जीवन की सभी समस्याओं का हल भगवत गीता के श्लोकों में दिया गया है और इस बात का अनुभव मुझे बिजल गुरु जी के सत्संग से हुआ है और उनके सत्संग से मुझे मेरे जीवन में बहुत कुछ परिवर्तन नजर आया है।
जीवन से क्या संबंध गीता का? हम नॉर्मल जीवन में किस तरीके से गीता को अपने जीवन में उतार कर हम कार्य कर सकते हैं, कितनी सरलता से जो हमको समझा रहे हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। प्रश्न भी होते हैं और उसकी जो समाधान वो बताते हैं बहुत ही सरल तरीके से, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। वास्तव में ही गीता सीखना, गीता को समझना अपने आप में एक बहुत ही अनूठा कार्य है और जो विजल भाई हमको सिखा रहे हैं मुझे तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
When last year global pandemic started, everyone was under stress, anxiety, grief and worry. It was a challenge how to manage our mental health. Lord Krishna sent Bijal Bhai Pandya as Sarthi in our life, who started our spiritual evolution, and he became our inspirational source. We have learned meaning of life and meaning of dharma. Bijal Bhai also shown us the light in the path of darkness.
It has raised so many questions in my mind, but for good. As in every session, one curtain is withdrawn, though the journey is still a very long one. Guruji, Bijal Bhai Pandya, his simplified way of the interpretation of life as understood by Srimad Gita Ji, has undoubtedly lifted my approach towards life, friends, family and the whole surroundings. Our group is popularly known as Vasudeva Kutumbakam, which encompasses the whole of the universe as one family.
First of all, I learned that humans are the only creatures in the world which are bestowed with the power of thinking. So we should always think wise and do good deeds. Second thing I learned that we should always focus on doing our karma rather than being focusing on the end result. Third thing I learned that we are a part of society and not apart from society. So we should always try to contribute to society as and when we can do.
It has brought about a new facet in our life, and what I have tried to do is maybe introspect my actions and implement the thoughts and values. Maybe it's just a drop in the ocean, but I'm trying to make the drop bigger and bigger as the time passes.
My journey to self-consciousness began on attending the first session itself. It really gives us lots of insights into the message given by Lord Krishna. During the satsang, we are able to correlate the spiritual essence of Bhagavad Gita with the philosophy of life. The satsangs are very interesting and helping in evolving ourselves.
It's been a very transformative experience. My life has changed a lot. That removes a lot of clutter in your mind once you get clarity about your duty, your karma. And once you add your faith, your shraddha, it's a transformative experience. We have a two-way discussion with Bijal on various issues. Anybody can ask any question, and that adds to your knowledge. This has helped each of us in a unique way.